Hi, Chad here, and I wanted to go over how to do your dynamic widgets. Now, I'm going to do this one time here because you can always refer to it later on if you're doing it other kind of post that I'm going to teach you how to make. Dynamic widgets. We're going to have to go to Appearance here on the side and go to Widgets. I'm going to leave this page now, and what I'm going to do is actually take this code and actually delete this widget. Save, delete, and I go over this in the tutorial, so you want to go over that too. How to make a dynamic widget. Let me refresh this page. I don't think anything should show up there anymore because I've removed that dynamic widget. As you can see, nothing's there. So when we start from scratch here, what we do is we go to this Appearance and Widgets, and what we do is we just add this text where it says arbitrary text in HTML, and you load it up here. And of course, this is in order where you want your widget to be when it does show. So I want it to put it on the higher part above. Let's see here, be above my Nioxin products, above my categories and recent posts. And the title is, I'm just going to put Rogaine products, and I gave you the code already to post in there and in the tutorial, so you just paste that right there. What you want to change here, of course, is your key here, your tag in this area, and it's detailed in the tutorial, so refer to that too. I just want to make a video here too. Your keywords is Rogaine. My keyword is Rogaine. This is keywords of similar products that you want to find for this dynamic widget. Now, top Rogaine products is the title of the widget itself, and again, refer to your to the course, the written part of it, because I actually show you the code there and go into detail of it. Now, if I save this here like this widget will show up on every single page. It'll show up on this Rogaine page. Let me show you. It will show up on my other pages. If I go to Buy Hair Formula 37 page here, a Rogaine product shows up, and it's kind of, it's not supposed to be there, and that's why we do dynamic widgets. And in the tutorial I tell you about categories, we don't want to show up on this page. We want to show it only on relevant products that are in my Rogaine category, or which category that you're using yours for. We want it to be very relevant. So now we've got this open here. What we do is we go to static page. We hit the static here, on the dynamic widgets there, and the first thing you want to do is set everything to no. What this does is basically tells the program, the plugin, don't show this widget on any page. And what we're going to do is go to categories or single posts first here. It's a drop down menu, and click on Rogaine, because I set that widget up to be just for Rogaine. I'm also going to put category pages for Rogaine and press save. Once you press save here, it's going to bring you right back to your appearance page. And as you can see, if I go to my Rogaine products, it shows it's a dynamic page. And if I go back to my pages here, if I refresh my hair formula products, it shouldn't show anything here. That's cool. Now, anything that I put under my Rogaine category will be showing. Check that out, Rogaine products right there. I've got a few more posts here that have Rogaine in it, or another post that does Rogaine work, which is under my Rogaine category, and it will show relevant Rogaine products on the side. And it shouldn't show up in my Nioxin. Of course, I made a widget for that. It should only show Nioxin products here. And that's how the dynamic widgets works. And you can use this for further monetization on any post you make. Find relevant products for that post, you always want to make sure that you put that category in a relevant category, and that so it shows up with those kind of posts. And I go into more detail about that in the tutorial, but now you can kind of see how it's done. And I'll see you in the next video.